I have a Trane XR80 tdd080c036f3. I'm getting 4 flashes.open temp limit circuit. I've replaced the switches. Neither button on the limit switches are tripped. I've tried unplugging the unit for more than a minute to reset. No go. Press the lid switch and the fan comes on immediately and light flashes 4 times quickly. How can I reset the unit?
Hello, bypass the overtemp limit switch which may be stuck closed. It may be in the center of the furnace and look like either of the pictures I have attached. If you take the 2 wires off and join them together, this should bypass the switch and then see what happens. Full size image, full size image.
I'll try it. That didn't work.
Have you checked the limit in the blower compartment?
I just tested it with a multimeter and it current can pass. I also tried jumping it.
If all the limits have checked out good and you are unable to reset the circuit board by cutting off the power to the furnace, then the board may be bad. I would double check all the limits again and look for more to make sure none were missed. Also check the rollout limits by the burners to make sure they aren't tripped. The rollouts can be manually reset by a small red button on the back. Full size image.
I thought that the switches with the small red button were limit switches. That's what I've replaced. Should I try replacing the second image that you posted? It's the one that's flat and about the size of a credit card. I used a multimeter to test it. The meter said that current could flow through it. Is that enough of a test to confirm that the switch is good? There are other components in line with the switches. This is what's on the line. TCOB reverse flow switch. Manual reset flame rollout switch. Manual flame rollout switch. Limit switch TCOA. Pressure switch. I think what I've replaced is the 2 manual reset flame rollout switches. Here are some pictures of the inside of my furnace. Would you please help me locate and identify the components? Full size image, full size image, full size image.
The 2 with the reset buttons are your rollout limits. The square brown one is the limit switch, and the round black one should be the reverse flow or pressure switch. The open temp limit would be the brown one. There may be another temp limit behind the door with the circuit board on it, somewhere on the blower housing or around there.
I can't find another limit switch. In the compartment with the circuit board. Would it be in line with the other switches? Attachment 2011-1208_214218_lol_furnace_manual.pdf full size image. I've attached a PDF of my wiring diagram. Hopefully you can access a PDF as an attachment. All the other switches are all in line on a yellow wire.
Give me a second to look over it. What I can't find in these pictures is the reverse flow limit switch. It looks like after the yellow wire comes off the plug on the board it goes to the first limit, which I can't see in the pictures of your furnace. Can you track this one down? It should be the yellow wire right above the fuse next to the white coming off the plug. Full size image. Remove the blower door with the circuit board on it. Inside you will see the blower housing. On the bottom side of the motor housing the limit should be mounted and it should be next to a capacitor. I have posted a pic of what the limit should look like. Here is a diagram. It should be where number 11 is on diagram full-size image.
I can see the wires going into a hole. The hole is in the same compartment that the circuit board is in. I'm sure that there is a switch in there. I can't figure out how to get into that compartment. I tried removing the fan. That didn't work. There doesn't seem to be any access. Yellow wires.
The only way may be to remove the screws facing you when looking at the door. It looks like 3 on each side. If you don't feel comfortable with that, if you see only the 2 yellow wires going in, you can simply cut these and wire them together to see if this is your problem limit. It would be better if you can access the blower and see the limit to test.
Hi. I had to hire an HVAC guy to come do the diagnosis and repair. FYI, it turned out to be an airlock in the gas valve. I will pay you because you did put time in and you did your best considering it was a remote interaction. Thanks for your help.
Sorry I couldn't have been more help. Have a good day.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.